Discover refined coastal living in Sevid, a peaceful seaside retreat known for its crystal-clear waters and natural beauty. Set in the first row to the sea, this exclusive development features just 17 luxury residences across 3 modern buildings. Designed to maximize light, privacy, and stunning sea views. This apartment offers a thoughtfully designed space, including 2 bedrooms, a stylish bathroom, and a bright open-plan living area with kitchen and dining. Step onto the covered terrace and enjoy a seamless indoor-outdoor lifestyle by the sea. Residents benefit from a private parking space and access to premium amenities, including a swimming pool, sun deck, barbecue area, and fitness center. Completion is scheduled for summer 2026. Experience a new standard of coastal luxury.